Yo, what's going on, everybody? How we doing? How was your day? Let me know. Just making sure everything's working over here on my end. What's up, Curly? Okay, good evening. Let's see who's all here. John, Patrick, Party, Speculate, Rai, Ryu, Jeff. Who else is here? Curly Z, Party, Freddie, Adam. Welcome, guys. Welcome. As you can see. Oh, nice, Dan. $1,000 profit on the giveaway. Nice. $1,200 in profit. Nice. Nice. GG's in the chat. If you guys don't know, Dan won the last account giveaway on Tuesday. He was the recipient of a 150K Lucid test account that he received for free. And apparently he's large in profit on the thing so far. Yeah, get that thing passed, Dan, and let us know if you get that thing to pay out. That'd be amazing. You're here to win another one. Savvy, you missed the intro. Oh, just rewind a little bit. Just rewind a few minutes. You can watch the intro. But yeah, we are doing another giveaway this evening. Exclamation point Wes in the chat. We're going to do it a little bit different. Only 2 entries per person this time. No more. But exclamation point Wes in all caps will enter you into the drawing and that we will do at the end of the stream. Let me double check and make sure it's working here. Yep, we've got entries going in. Okay. I think we're all good. That is good. All right. Well, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, little update on the base hit account. Just to give you guys a look so you know where it sits. I took another $1,200 payout today on that base hit account. So that's 4 straight weeks of $1,200 payouts. Let me get to the calendar so you can see how we did today. We only took 1 trade on the account today, but I'm going to have to start to be pretty... I have to decide if I want to go live very soon. As you can see, we are 3 days away from going live on that account. So, I don't even know how many straight winning days that is. But it just goes to show how the base hits add up. I mean, they add up quickly. So yeah, we're pretty happy about that. Pretty happy. What's up, Indian Burn? Patrick, why are we all saying exclamation point West? Exclamation point West gets you an entry into the 50K Lucid test account free giveaway this evening. We will not announce the winner until closer to the end of the stream. You will have to be present though in order to win. You'll have to claim it. So the way that it works is you have to type in the chat when your name is drawn, and if you don't type in the chat, we give you a certain amount of time to type in the chat, but then we will re-roll. You can see everybody here that's entering, and I will bring that over so that everything's transparent so you guys know it's random, just like we did last time. Angie, why would I have to go live? Never made to an actual withdrawal? What do you mean? I had $4,800 in withdrawals there on that account so far. At 30 winning trading days, they push you to live on that account. Oh, yeah. Cheers. Cheers, guys. I mean, obviously, I want to give back to you guys. You guys support the channel. You show up each and every night. I want to give something back to you guys. So any accounts that the props give me, I'm gonna give to you guys. The freebies, you know, I'm not gonna keep them. So Kevin spamming. The spamming doesn't work this time, Kevin, just to give you a heads up. Just to give you a heads up. But yes, exclamation point Wes, all caps. You will be entered into the drawing at the end of the stream for a free 50K Lucid test account. Chris, I did all right today. Yeah, Angie, like it's been almost 30 consecutive days too. Like it's been quite a run I've been on. Quite a hot streak. I've never had a streak like that. You know, granted it's not like huge profits, but I'm very proud of the fact that that account is all green for that extended period of time. You know, I'm a profitable trader, so I'm used to seeing green months, but never consecutively like that. So that's a first for me. So how's everybody doing? How'd you guys trade today? Let me know. What's the secret sauce? There really isn't a secret sauce. I just play support and resistance still all the same, but just take a base hit on it on the play. Instead of targeting, you know, full level to level, I'll just play that initial 10-point reaction, or aim for that 10 to 20 point reaction off the level. And usually it's good for a quick bounce every time the extremes are touched. So I'll just Sid, I'm looking at, you're asking if NQ is going higher tonight. If you look at ES is so close to all-time highs right now that I'd imagine we go and trade that. So inevitably that's probably going to drag the NAS with it at some point. So we are still in a buy the dip scenario. Yeah, I didn't even, guys, I had my monitor shut off from about, I don't know, it was probably like noon. So I didn't even, I saw the slow grind happening, right? But I did not see any of this. Like, I did not see the pump like that. What dip is my favorite? Of those three, Patrick, it's got to be salsa. I'm a salsa guy. It's got to be a nice, like, spicy salsa. Yeah, it was kind of weird because it was heavy off the open, if you guys remember. Like, remember it was downside for, like, the first, I don't know, 45 minutes or so, and then just straight rip. Do sauces count as dips? I mean, I guess. I don't know, chat. What's your take on that? Do sauces count as dips? Is like ranch considered a dip? Oh yeah, queso is. Oh, okay, I will agree with you there, Roger. Okay, here's the question though: white queso or yellow queso? I'm a queso blanco kind of guy. I like the white queso. Sappy ranch is gross. Blue cheese. Yeah, most people are either one or the other, right? There's this steakhouse up the road that does like a fire-crusted blue cheese topping on their steaks. And it's very good. And I'm not a blue cheese fan, but it's very good. Yellow with chorizo. Okay, yeah, I can see that. You make queso with the smoker. So it's got that smoky flavor. You like bougie cheese, Darth? Oh, greatest nothing. I pronounce everything wrong. I'm one of those people. Sharon, exclamation point West, all caps. All caps. Oh no, Savvy, you're fasting? Oh no. Yeah, we go off on some rants on this channel. But yeah, I'm very excited to be giving these accounts back to you guys. You know, I can't thank you all enough for the love and support. I never thought that my channel would get to even the size that it is right now, ever. It's been quite a ride the last 3 months, and I can't thank you all enough. Like, sincerely. It's been an amazing little run we've been on. Going from 600 subs to what are we at? I don't even know what we're at now. I haven't looked. We're at 3275. So there's a good chance we go over 3.3K tonight, especially with the giveaway. I'd imagine people subscribe just to enter into the giveaway. But 3.3K seems like a big number for me. I know it's not big in the grand scheme of things. You know, there's guys with 100,000 subs out there, but I never saw my channel getting there. So like I said, I can't thank you all enough. No, party. I think we're going to rip higher. ES is so close to all-time highs. You'll pay it forward, Rick? No, Rick, if you win and you get a payout, just do me a favor. Keep the money for yourself, but just keep us updated on how the account's doing. That's all any of us ask. Need to have a Nima episode when we hit 14K. Oh, 14K subs? Yeah. Yeah, he'll be like, I've been calling it for years. I've been calling it for years. I don't know. I'm kind of watching ES more than I'm watching NQ. You know, ES all-time highs are at 65.23 and change. I'm thinking we might go run those, at least sweep them. I think if it's gonna be a sell-off, we're probably gonna sell off from right here. It's gonna roll over just shy, fall back into psych level 6,500 before we make the move up. SPX missed all-time highs by 5.5 points, Indian Burn. Yeah, I mean, you never expect it to fall that just shy. It means it's coming soon. We do have NFP in the morning, non-farm payrolls, so be on alert an hour before the market opens. Try to not be in a trade around that time. Be smart. Be smart. Ignacio, you need one more pump? Yeah, I mean, let's see. Turn of the hour, new hour candle print here. We kind of didn't do much off it. Curly, at this point, I mean, let's go to the higher time frame and zoom out a little bit so we can get a better look at what's going on. It's looking like this 800 level, maybe. I at least think NQ probably goes up to 750. But NQ is definitely lagging behind ES as far as its approach to all-time highs. Like, look, guys, I know we need a pullback, right? If you're looking at the daily, we're back above the daily 20. We bounced the daily 50. I think we might make one more push to all-time highs. I wouldn't even be surprised to see 25K before the end of the year. Wouldn't be surprised at all. So, I know we need a pullback. I know we need a relief, you know, from all the buying. But at the same time, the market is just on the biggest bull run in history right now. Sid pull back before going higher. I mean, I hope. It's just, have you guys tried shorting this market recently? You know how difficult it is? Like, you really have to be in it before it drops. Otherwise, you are chasing. Okay, the gap from the open still has not completely filled. There's like a 1.2 point gap. Yeah, design knob, shameless new highs on the horizon. Yeah, I mean, look. We are in buy the dip mode. Like, that sell-off was actually pretty nice. Nice spot to buy today. I had to wait until it got back above for, I think it was 460 is where I got long from this morning. Oh, Jeff, you were trying to pick tops today? Yeah, that was a losing battle. Yeah, Indian Burn, stairs down, elevator up. I mean, that's how it's been, right? We tried to chase, sellers tried to get it below 23K the other day, and it was, buyers were just like, no, sir. Nope, that's not happening. Sorry. We're not getting below 23K. What's up, Doug? Put it this way. Anytime that I've tried shorting recently, I have gone to break even immediately when I'm green. Immediately when I'm green. Andy Burn, you deleted the short button? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's a losing battle these days. It's really tough. I mean, honestly, what you want to see the sellers take control for a few minutes, and then to see a bottom get put in and just buy that dip. That is the best strategy. Until it doesn't work, I'm probably going to continue to do that. Zaid, you're expecting a dump very soon? Oh, that's a dangerous game. I mean, it might, but that's a dangerous game. For those of you that are just tuning in, we are doing a 50K Lucid account giveaway this evening. Exclamation point Wes, all caps in the chat, will enter you into the drawing that we'll do at the end, towards the end of the stream. You will need to be present at the end of the stream. If you're not present, we will re-roll for another winner. Ignacio, how do I create the box at 730 to 750? Like, how do I draw it? It's just a rectangle. Like this. And then I come down to my settings and I extend it left and extend it right. I move it to the background so the candles print on top of it. I remove the middle line and then I change the color. Like so. Hey, what's up, Worldwide? How are ya? Yeah, Robert, were you around last night, actually? Last night, the market was moving around, too. Unfortunately, I couldn't capitalize. No, I'm streaming. I can't. I gotta give away a 50K Lucid account tonight. Party, I think it's the simplicity of it. You know, you can get up and running on Quant Tower in a matter of minutes. You know, it's not Sierra charts where you're constantly tinkering with things for years. I think that's what I like. I think it's the simplicity and the customization. Sorry, guys. My Dom surface is still acting all funny. There is some interest down here below 600. Like down here. I just don't know if that gets traded again. I mean, top side of the range. I'd be watching this 670, 660 area on a pullback for another bounce. What's up, Kyle? Oh, on gold? Yeah, is gold still ripping? Oh, it kind of pulled back today a little bit. I mean, gold is on a tear. Looks like I got some levels updating to do on gold. There's obviously a shelf here at 65.36-ish. Looks like there's a level here at, or 36. Is that what that is? 35.60. What's up, Pedro? How are you? Everything's good. Everything's good, guys. I feel like I'm in a good spot with my trading. I haven't had a losing trading day in a long time, which is rare for me. I usually have a few of them every month. Not blow-up days, but definitely red days. We're going to go to 4K on gold? How far away is it? Oh, I mean, that's a ways up here. I mean, that's a big move. That is a big move. What's up, Dotan? How are you? Oh, you think when the rate cut comes? Schwab saying gold to jump to 5K, Pieter? Holy. All right, we got about 130 people in here currently. Guys, if you're just tuning in, if you want to enter into the contest, first and foremost, support the channel, subscribe, and type !Wes in all caps in the chat, and that will enter you into the drawing to win the 50K Lucid giveaway. Right now we've got, let's see how many people have entered. We've got, let's see, divide by 2. So we've got about 60 people entered right now. And we got 130 plus people watching currently. Go ahead and enter into that drawing for that free account giveaway, guys. Also, if you could, smash that thumbs up button for me for the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, Chief Pepsi. That was a little chaotic last time with the 20 entries. It was a little chaotic. The chat was just getting spammed. Like, consistently spammed. Hey, thanks for the sub, Tony. Appreciate you. Yeah, well, Savvy, it's not Bookmap. It's the Dom Surface. It's Quantowers, my trading platform's version of Bookmap. But yes, it's the same thing as Bookmap. Oh, Dan, you only entered one time last time and you won it? Oh, that's nice. But like I said, those of you that are entering, you will have to be here at the end of the stream because it does require you to, in order to claim the prize, you have to type something in the chat to claim the prize. So if you're not here, we will re-roll and pick a new winner. So just make sure you're tuned in. If you're not going to stay here the whole time, just make sure you have something to alert you. But I'll do it towards the end of the stream. I'd kind of like this to sweep higher a little bit. I need to adjust this level as well. There we go. HR, any subscriber is eligible to enter into the giveaway. All you gotta do is type !Wes, all caps in the chat, and it'll enter you into the drawing. And I will drag the giveaway drawing over to the monitor so you guys can see it when I do it, so you know I'm not just picking somebody myself. So it is random. Next week, guys, we do have 2 more account giveaways to do. Next week is going to be Take Profit Trader accounts. So we will have 2 streams where we're doing giveaways next week as well. Ignacio, it's not an indicator. The boxes are rectangles that I've drawn on myself. Someone made a Wes exclamation point account? What? Wait, what, Patrick? Oh, Dotan? Dotan made a Wes account? Yeah, Tactic may not be awake when... Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, in order to claim the prize, you have to type in the chat. Like, that's the way that it gets claimed. Otherwise, it just keeps going. You know, it doesn't... It only gives you so long to respond. I don't know. I mean, whoever was here last time saw how it works. It just picks a winner, and then... you have to respond in the chat. Faraz, jeez. The spam. It was funny last time. I know I mentioned this before, guys. At the end of the stream, we like 15 people unsubscribed immediately after the drawing was over. I was like, oh yeah, there goes 15 subs real quick. Worldwide, I would expect the NAS to actually hang out below all-time highs. But who knows? NFP tomorrow could pump us. I mean, it could send us flying. It could send us well above 24K. So nothing is off the table as far as... I'm not going to try to call tops at all-time highs. I can tell you that much. I've been there. I've done that. And I have failed miserably trying to pick tops. Man, my DOM surface is glitching out still. It's really annoying me. I'm going to have to contact Quantower and see what's going on with this. See if anybody else is having these issues. All right, we still got 10 minutes till the Asia session, 30-minute opening range, Prince. I did take a trade before the stream started, so I'm actually up $120 on the evening. Just a quick scalp. Tactic, your DOM surface is working fine. Yeah, mine's glitching out still. It's been doing that this whole week. I don't understand. I mean, I can see all the orders, but the actual heat map bugs out from time to time. I'm not sure why. It's only since Labor Day. All right, looks like kind of like we rejected 730 there. ES is still kind of right there by all-time highs, though. I mean, it's only another 5 points up. Biden didn't pay the labor dues. I mean, clearly I have full depth of market, right? Like I can see the whole book. So it has to be the actual DOM surface that bugs out. Yeah, Darth, you think we pull back and just kind of go sideways for the night? I can see that. I can see that. We're at that spot. We're at that spot where if it's going to roll over, this is where it would happen on ES. NQ and ES were kind of... ES was kind of lagging today, wasn't it? While the NQ was taking new highs. What's up, Michael? How are you? Kelly long. Oh, you're long gold? It's so hard to short this, but the short's the only play right now. All right, so I guess if we're going to short, we kind of got to do one of these. So I'll wait to see if we can get back below this channel low. We do have the 30-minute opening range. Asia low sitting right at 700. Psych level 700, 701. A Tory strat on a 5-minute. Hey, they say trend lines work, right? I mean, you know, let's do it. Yeah, guys, if you're lurking in the background, like I said, we are doing a 50K not take profit trader, Lucid Trading Company test giveaway this evening. Hit that subscribe button, !West, all caps in the chat. We'll enter you into that drawing that we'll do at the end of the stream. You have to be present, though, at the end of the stream in order to claim the prize. So make sure you're tuned in at the end of the stream. She would say, I don't have her drawdown dodge. Yeah, everybody's saying she took some heat on a trade recently. Like some serious heat. Like heat, that uncomfortable amount of heat. Did she own up to it at least? Sorry, I'm out of the loop as far as like streamers and influencers in the trading world are concerned. I don't really watch any content on other traders. She did. She made a video on it. Oh, that had to be a tough video to make, right? When you're to that size in the trading world, that had to be a tough video to make. So good on her for owning up to it, I guess. All right, we got about 140, almost 150 people in here right now. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. I appreciate you. Hit that thumbs up button for me if you could. Last stream of the week. Last stream of the week this week. Is anybody else going to be watching NFL football this weekend? Let me know. Rips was blasting people about not using personal accounts. I don't know why anybody feels the need to blast anybody. Like, just do you. Focus on yourself, you know? I don't understand all the chirping. I mean, if you're asking me, trading's hard enough without people yelling at you. You know, I mean, there's a lot of toxic stuff that happens in the trading YouTube space. That's why I don't watch any of it, because one of two things happens: you're a beginning trader and you're trying to learn, and you're asking questions to people that you think know more than that you think know more than yourself, and they make you feel stupid, or they're trying to charge you an obscene amount of money for the information. I'm never gonna do that. I'm never gonna sell a course. I'm never gonna sell a mentorship. No signal services, nothing. I'm your globex guy party. Nice. Nice. Well, thanks for the love and support. One of the Eagles just got kicked already. Oh, is that who's on TV right now? Are the Eagles playing a game right now? Yeah, KP. I think I'm right there with you. But you guys, I mean, crypto is just, I mean, Bitcoin being where it's at is crazy. It's crazy. There's a game for free going to be streaming on YouTube tonight. Yeah, I use YouTube TV for my, for my TV services. Okay, P, you should get it. You should get at least. Let's see. What are we looking at to the left over here? Oh man, you got to go way back. Let me go to the 30-minute. I mean, 740 looks like a logical spot. Oh, it's in Brazil? Okay. You sell ICs $90 every 6 months for IPTV? Yeah, I definitely pay more than that. I definitely pay more than that. Okay, that looks like a solid rejection of 730 there. This time. We might be rolling over. I don't even know why I'm looking for a short, guys. This is stupid. Like, why? What are we doing? Why are we trying to pick tops? It's so dumb. This is how I've gotten wrecked before. Yeah, I mean, I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm looking for a short. Probably just because it's coming up into, resistance. But it's dumb to even think about shorting this. Goodness, guys. Choked on my own saliva there. That ever happened to you? I mean, nothing real crazy on the books. The craziest stuff is probably down here. The biggest order on the books right now that I'm seeing is right here at 750. But you're probably not going to have a lot of size while we're trading up here. And it's only a 60 block. All right, we now have 160 people in here. If you're just tuning in and to the stream, we are doing a 50K Lucid account giveaway this evening. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Exclamation point West, all caps, in the chat. We'll enter you into the drawing that we'll do at the end of the stream. I feel like I'm going to repeat that all night long. That's going to be the phrase that I say all night long. Cowboys and Eagles are on YouTube TV right now, John? Okay. Michael, it'll probably be around like 10, so a couple hours probably. I normally don't wrap it up till about 11 p.m. Eastern. So we'll probably do the drawing sometime around 10:30 Eastern, is what I'm guessing. Give enough people the chance to get over here. You know, eat dinner, tuck the kids in bed if you're on the West Coast, or get them doing their homework on the West Coast. We seem to have a lot of people join late to the streams. I noticed that on the last one, we went a little early. And a lot of people tuned in right at the end of the stream as I was ending the stream. So we'll give it some time. The giveaway hunters. Yeah, Michael, I know. Like I said, we ended the stream last time and immediately had like 15 people unsubscribe. Really, as soon as that we did the giveaway and they didn't win, they were gone. They were out. They were out. They were like, we're here for free stuff and free stuff only. Screw that West guy. What's up, Yazan? How are you? Jeez, okay, this is obnoxious. I'm just gonna flip over to a footprint chart, I guess. At least we can see what's going on here. Like, my goodness. I know, party. It's completely sideways now all of a sudden. Hey, what's up, Palm? Palm, exclamation point, West, all caps in the chat. 50K account or Lucid account giveaway tonight. Yeah, Piter. It's a 14-day limited time deal, and it's only on the 50K core accounts. Just to give you a heads up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, exactly what you just... Yeah, Palm, but if you win and you happen to blow one, now you got a free account in the back and in waiting, pretty much. You can use the code whenever. I think it's good forever. Roger, no, I mean, I took a couple like base hits on 2 of my accounts, but I waited for 450 to reclaim after the sell-off, and then I got long from 460 is where I got long from. Oh, is there 2 games on tonight, Kelly? Is there 2 Thursday night games on? Is there one on Peacock and one on YouTube TV? What's up, Phoenix? You just waking up? It's the Eagles Cowgirls. What is the code? Oh, Adam, it's just type !Wes in all caps in the chat, and that will enter you into the drawing that we'll do at the end of the stream for a 50K Lucid account giveaway. The Eagles. Chief Pepsi, yes, next month. October, they're adding Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, and Trading View. Will be next month. I know, Palmetto. How excited are you to watch your guy Josh Allen? How excited are you to watch Josh Allen? Wes Khalifa. Oh man. A glass of water and watching the Eagles. Oh man. Yeah, are you guys sports bettors? Let me know. Are you, I don't do any sports betting. No DraftKings. None of that stuff. No FanDuels. I don't really bet on sports. Party, you're betting right now. You're betting right now. I know Palmetto always has these parlays going on that are like, I don't even know, 20 leg parlays. 20 leg parlays that he'll put like a couple cents on. But if one of them hits, Rick, you made a nice living betting about 25 years ago? Really? Some people are really good at it. Some people are really good at it. Some people have strategies. I am not one of those people. The Powerball is 1.7 billion right now? Are you kidding me? Yeah, Rick, back in the day, I guess, yeah, you did have to call the bookie or place the bet, you know, go to Vegas. The 17.4 on gold. Full port evals for fun daily if you won the Powerball. Yeah, I mean, what do you do with that much money? You know what I'm saying? Like, what do you do with that much money? And second question is, do you take the one lump sum up front, or do you get paid out for generations kind of deal, you know? I mean, that $1.7 billion, that is, I mean, that is generational wealth. I mean, that is you and at least 4 generations of degenerates that don't do anything with their lives. 5 generations, 5 whole generations. More than that. You're opening a prop firm. I mean, that's more money than the props pull in for sure. $30-year annuities would be around 75% total. Yeah, I mean, obviously you're going to invest a good chunk of it, right? Like there's no reason to hang on to, well, 1.7 billion. So you'd be looking at, like, if you took it all up front, what do they give you up front? Like 60%, 65%, something like that? If you take it all in one payment? Rick's like, you only take home like 500 million. Only. Yeah, only 500 mil. That's it. That's funny. Hey, thanks for the support, Steve. Be sure to link your YouTube account to your Discord profile if you're on Discord and a member of Level Up Discord, and you'll have access to my pre-market trading plans each morning. Thanks for the support, brother. I appreciate you. You could have some fun in small caps with 500 mil. Yeah, really, all you need is one to go, huh? I guess. All you need is one of those penny stocks to succeed. There is just no pullback here, guys. There's nothing I can do. Limitless. There's a video on YouTube. Just type in your YouTube search, link YouTube to Discord, and there will be like a 1-minute video there that will walk you through exactly how to do it. And if that doesn't work, just DM me on Discord. And I'll get it all sorted for you. $500 contracts just for fun. Yeah, I mean, KP, that kind of money is enough to move the market for sure. For sure. You kidding me? I don't know how you get that much filled. Like, in a live market scenario, try getting 100 contracts filled. It's very difficult. Yeah, Darth, I agree. That, like, why buy stock when you can buy companies? Yeah, I mean, that's accurate. You could be a majority shareholder on a few companies with that kind of money, for sure. Did 220 contracts yesterday, Pieter? Like, on his personal, like, live account? You will become Paul and the market will move to your orders. Yeah. Oh, he did it on 20 Apex accounts? Oh, okay. Okay. So he did it on funded accounts, not his live account. Yeah, I mean, that's what he does, though. That's what he does. He's like 15 minis every trade kind of trader. At least from what I've seen. I mean, he's 15 minis deep a lot per account. But for them, it doesn't really matter. For them, it doesn't matter. You know, I mean, they're making millions off their affiliates. Like whenever I purchased accounts, which I never really purchased a ton of accounts. I took things slow. But whenever I purchased an account, I tried to find like a small streamer that had codes. And those were the ones I would support. I wouldn't really support the big boys. I wouldn't use their codes. I would use the smaller streamers' codes just to give kickback to the smaller streamers. Yeah, see, Potter, I mean, it 313K in 1 month, and that's just from Apex, right? Like he's got deals with, he's got codes with all the props. So everybody punching MPW is just feeding that beast. Like just feeding the beast. $1 million per month. I mean, it's possible, I suppose. If everybody's using code PW. But yeah, if you have, I mean, if you've got a big following, like the big guys are, it doesn't even matter. Yeah, like they don't care. On his birthday last month, he had 7,800 codes used on August 18th. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's wild. But yeah, I mean, they make a ton of money. They make a ton of money. Let's see. Oh, we're approaching 3.3K, guys. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, we're getting pretty close. So if you're lurking in the background and want to support the channel, we are at 16 subscribers shy of that 3.3. I mean, I'd imagine the giveaway will get us there, but then we'll lose about 20 at the end of the stream. But that's okay. Well, here's what's benefiting that in a way, right? Like, because he's, you know, a high risk taker, he attracts that same kind of trader for the most part. So those are the people that are blowing accounts consistently. So they constantly need those discounts. You know, so it's working in his favor for sure. Brilliant. It's brilliant, actually, if you think about it. Darth, no, I'm gonna continue to be me regardless of what happens with the channel. You know, 50K, 100K, I'll still be the same person. My channel will never get there. Let's just face it. My trading's really boring, right? I don't think I'll ever get, I don't even know if I'll get to 20K. I'm not even sure. I would have to probably go to New York trading hours and stream during the day in order to get that kind of following. He had ChatGPT write the entire course. Oh, jeez. Some guy came into our Discord trying to sell something like that. Was trying to get people to sign sign like NDAs in the. I was like, oh, do not sign this guy's NDA. Come on, what are we talking about here? Just become an analysis, an analyst, you mean, Darth? Just become an analyst? The NDA was for the trading parties. Oh man. I know. I mean, there's not. We can talk about anything you guys want to talk about. The market's not moving. I mean, we have not moved in like almost an hour. Almost an hour. The market has been in a 7-point range. Yeah, guys, if you're just tuning in, welcome to the channel. My name is Wes, if you haven't met me yet. I live stream every globex session starting at 7:45 p.m. Eastern, Sunday through Thursday, obviously. We are doing a 50K Lucid account giveaway this evening. Exclamation point Wes in the chat, all caps. You have to subscribe to the channel in order to type in the chat, so make sure you do that. Also, if you haven't yet, hit that thumbs up button for me if you could, for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys, and thanks for the entertainment as well. Oh man. What is going on in my chat right now? You guys are wild. Hang on, I'll be right back. Well, the market's not moving at all. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Is gold even moving? Not really, kind of sideways. What's the YM doing? Nothing? Nothing. RTY, kind of sideways. There is nothing to do here. Francois, draw that free account. No, we got to go longer. I'm not going to draw the free account right now. Everybody will bail. Everybody will take off. The Asians are sleeping. I don't know. Well, actually, Asian market's open now. They shouldn't be sleeping. I mean, we got 140 people in here right now. Oh, 100% KP. The chat will totally go ghost mode. Not ghost mode. People will still chat. Like my chat's like, you guys are really good about keeping the chat active and keeping the stream going, right? But right now, like there's nothing to talk about in the market. It's going sideways. It's chopping. They don't look, they don't sleep. What if we load 5 minis and trade the range? I mean, I would be, yeah, Tim. I think everybody's just waiting on non-farm payrolls. I think we just gradually grind up. So I'm going to wait for a dip to buy, and then I'll probably get long is what I'm going to do. Wow, you're typing sad. I know, Piter. We need something to happen. I'm half tempted just to take the long. Like, I'm half tempted just to get long here. In fact, let's try it. If I can get long, I'll get long. All right, we're long. We'll just target like 740-ish. Actually, let's just go for like 745. Kind of a block sitting here right at 730. Actually, let's just target the Kelt channel upper band here. What's up, Wizard? How are ya? Day was good for me. I took a $1,200 payout today from My Fun of Futures. Winning days across all my accounts. In total, it was like I don't know, like a little over $2,000 for me today. Oh, you just saw the push. KP, yeah. I mean, this market's impossible to short right now, so why not just hit buy and close your eyes kind of deal? Oh yeah, I'm pushing price higher on my sim funded account on Take Profit Trader. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Market maker, yeah, on my sim funded account, yeah. Moving the market with my one mini entry. Oh, we just jumped up to 160 viewers. Guys, if you're just tuning in and want to enter into the free 50K Lucid account giveaway, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, !Wes, all caps in the chat, and you'll be entered into the drawing for the 50K Lucid account giveaway that we'll be doing at the end of towards the end of the stream. John spamming. There's only one entry. You only get one entry. You don't have to spam tonight. What's up, Eagle's Eyes? How are you? I mean, I could go break even here, but I don't really see the reason to go break even. Eagle's Eyes, we're giving away a 50K Lucid trading evaluation. A 50K Lucid test account. Throw on 15 more minis? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I'm not looking to lose a ton of money tonight, right? If it was an evaluation, I might be tempted to, right? If I was trading an eval, but I don't have any evals going right now at all. Oh, it's so slow. It's so slow. Over leveraging trades, Wizard? It's a bad idea. Like, I would say the safe rule is probably, you know, 1 micro contract for every $1,000 that you have of account balance. You know, so on a 50K, 2 micros, since you have 2K in drawdown. We'll be there at midnight, Johan says. Yeah, I know. It's like, it's brutal. Honestly, it's looking like probably a full retrace here. Patrick, what do you mean? How would I let the chat pick my playlist? Like right now we're using Upbeat and it's just they generate a bunch of playlists. It's just a lo-fi music playlist that's playing right now. But we're getting ready to switch over to I think Epidemic is what we're gonna switch to. It's the one that all the traders, or not all the traders, all the streamers use. Limitless, here's the thing. Last time I went to like more like heavier music, some people didn't like it. Some people didn't like the heavier music. They like the chill vibe. Where's the mix at? Oh, we have a subscription to Upbeat. They're a copyright free you know, like streaming music provider or content music provider. Oh my goodness. Guys, this how come last night when I couldn't get a trade, the market's flying around, and then they come on tonight and this is what's happening? It's because ES is so close to all-time highs. NFP tomorrow. That's why. I mean, we're getting pretty close to 3.3K. We're at 3,286 subs right now. Let's get to 3.3K. If the market's still dead like this and we get to 3.3K, I'll go ahead and do the drawing. So 14 more subs is what we need. 14 more subs. New subscribers, if you want to enter into for your chance to win a 50K Lucid free account giveaway, exclamation point Wes in the chat, all caps, and hit that thumbs up button for me if you could. So let's get to 3.3K. We've got 3,286, and then I'll do the drawing. So 14 more subs. Got to get to sleep, Francois. All right, have a good evening. All right, let's run these topside wicks here. I'll go to break even if we wake that. I'll just make 14 new accounts, Dan says. What are we talking about here? There we go. All right, we finally ran it. Let's go break even at this point. I kind of want it to run. I don't want it to come back. Yeah, KP, last night's globex session was nice. It was like bull flag all the way up. Just kept bull flagging all the way up. All I need is another 6 points of movement to the top side. Like, let's go. Just wick up there. I mean, generally what you see during globex is you don't see a massive just drop like this. You'll see a big move, like a big sweep, and then a quick pullback. Just because volume's so light. So hopefully we can get that up to my take profit, and then I'm out. And we'll be up, I don't even know. We'll be up like a little over $300 on the night, probably. Oh, gosh. Yeah, KP, I'm thinking it probably makes a quick snap up there. I just don't know. I mean, if we get above 35, I'll go ahead and probably lock in something and move my stop up just in case real quick. Siva Kumar, it's in my account info window, so I'm just capturing a window. It's on a different monitor than what you're seeing here. All right, guys. Still 14 subs to go. $14 more subs and we'll do that 50K account giveaway. We got almost 160 people in here right now. You guys are just over there scalping gold right now? Is that what's going on? This market is ridiculous. It is not moving. Just snap up, Naz. If you're not going to go down, go higher. You know? Go find the liquidity. Go find the volume to move. Darth, if it can't go up, it's got they got to take it down. I think it's that it can't go down, so they have to take it up. Like there's not I don't know a lot of people that are buying up around all-time highs, right? The only thing that's happening is shorts are getting liquidated is what's happening. You like how you said it better? Gotta use a one tick chart, then you'll see movement. Yeah. S-Bigs, yeah, we got non-farm payrolls before the open tomorrow. So pretty big catalyst. Man, we haven't budged off that 3286 subs. Haven't budged off it, guys. We might be here a while. We might be here a while. Party the shorts have been eating recently. I mean, in brief periods. They've had like single days, right? Like they've had like 2 or 3 day stretches where they've been eating. There's definitely more green days in here than there is red still. Okay, run these wicks. Let's go. Snap. Like, come on. Why do we just keep ticking one high? Like, let's go. Like, let's go. Go create a bunch of ghost accounts. Yeah, well, yeah. I mean, we don't really want that. But I'd like it to be organic subscribers, right? But I know most people are subscribing for the giveaway as well. That's part of it. Comes with the territory. Oh, here we go. Am I going to get that target? Let's go. Let's go. That's too close. There we go. All right, I'm out. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. All right. Design, I'm shameless. Shameless. It's just, no, there's no volume in through here. Like you can see, there's no volume through this whole area. So that's why you have those quick sweeps, right? Up to where it can find more volume. And then it'll stall out. It'll probably drop back into where there was volume prior. And then it'll make another push. Oh, Joseph, I've been there. This is 100 times better than the giveaway. Oh, man. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice. All right, so now we're up 335 on the night. That's a pretty good globex session, if you ask me. KP, are you really going to try to short this? I mean, I don't know. ES is literally 3 points away from all-time highs right now. 3 points. That's going to be hard to... It's going to be hard to short. I'm not going to lie. It's going to be a hard short. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Kelly. Yeah, that was a good trade. Even though there was no strategy involved, it was just, hey, we're going higher. Let's buy. You know? It wasn't like, hey. Man, it would be a travesty to not go get all-time highs from where we're at on ES. I mean, that would be... It literally got within 2 points. Click the button, close your eyes and pray. Yeah. Party, I usually, so when there's big news like NFP tomorrow, I usually wait till after news comes out before I develop any sort of bias. I like to see what if price holds on any dips or if price strongly rejects on any pumps off the news. If I would say if the news is good tomorrow, to the top side you're looking at like 23,800. Let me go to like a 30-minute and look at this again. All right, so you're looking at like 800 in here. That's got some wicks that could serve as some resistance. But above 800, you're probably looking at new all-time highs. If we're holding above 800, you're probably looking at new all-time highs. To the short side now, I would probably be watching this. I'd probably be watching this 23,510 area. I realize it's 200 points away, but on Fridays, if you get in that free fall mode on a Friday, sometimes it can be pretty violent. Buy the dip now, should you? Joseph, no, this isn't a dip. This is not a dip. In fact, I think I can get rid of that trend line at this point. Oh man, how close did we have? Are we there? Nope, not even close, guys. Not even one subscriber in that time. We got 14 more to go. If we hit 10:30 though, like in an hour or so, and we haven't got to the 3.3K, I will I'll go ahead and do it. I'll go ahead and do the giveaway at that point. Oh, cheers, Kelly. Yeah, I've been doing it a long time. I mean, I've been those pre-market trading plans that you're just now seeing. I've been doing that for 3 years. So like the people who have known me for a long time, I realize the new people are shocked by it, but they've seen it for so long that it's not a surprise to them. So it doesn't get the reaction that new people have. You're gonna go touch gold real quick, Limitless. Oh no. We got 170 people in here right now. If you're just tuning in, we are doing a Lucid 50K account giveaway tonight. Subscribe to the channel, !Wes, all caps in the chat to enter into the drawing. When we get to 3.3K subscribers, we will go ahead and do that drawing for you. We are 12 away now. 12 subs away at this point from doing the drawing. No, I don't have any videos on how I draw them. It's really not rocket science. I go to the higher time frames. I'm looking for swing highs, multiple tests at areas. And then, you know, like you can tell that this 730 area is support. It's acted as support. It's acted as resistance. We had a heavy sell-off from here. So you know that this is an important area in here. 800 is kind of the same. We had 1 test, 2 rejections, 3 rejections, 4 rejections. You know that this is an area of importance as well. But above here, guys, it's very, very sketchy, right? Like things as we approach all-time highs become less and less. My confidence in the levels become a lot lower. But you can kind of see what I do. If you just look at this chart on a 30-minute, you can kind of tell why I put the levels where they are. There's no big secret. You know, obviously there's a level here as well, but it's dead smack in the middle of all this chop, so I just kind of don't draw those levels on. I prefer not to be executing when you see this kind of action. I call these GFZs, get F zones. In other words, I'm anticipating a lot of chop. Yeah, you don't want to be like, you can execute in here small scalps, but you don't want to be trying to like enter in the middle of this range kind of deal, right? Like there's a high likelihood that you're going to get chopped. Mason just spamming !West in the chat. I mean, we're 11 subs away now. 11 subs away from doing the drawing. When we get to 3.3K, I'll go ahead and do that drawing for you. The market's not really doing a whole lot tonight other than grinding higher currently. So once we get there, I'll go ahead and do the drawing. You guys are just spamming !West. There's only one entry tonight, guys. Only one entry. So if you've already done it, you don't have to spam. No, Phoenix, you don't need more accounts. You don't need more accounts. Oh, you guys are good. It's fine. There's only one entry tonight, though. So everybody has the same opportunity. Here, I tell you what. This is what I'll do. Since the market's not really moving, I'll do this. Here, I'll stick it up here in the upper right hand corner. Once that gets to 3,300, we will go ahead and do it. Yeah, we're real close. We're pretty close. I'm happy with my trading tonight. Honestly, I'm happy with the movement that we had being up 335. I'm definitely happy with that. Definitely happy with that. So thanks for hanging out with me tonight, guys. Hey, we did have the what's the best dip conversation though. That was exhilarating. Hey, thanks for the sub, Sage Fire. Appreciate you. Hey, thanks for the sub, Bofan. Appreciate you. Making some burner YouTube accounts right now. No, don't do that. Someone just unsubscribed, actually. Did you see that? Now we have 11 more to go. Z, in the evaluation, it's 5 days. 50% consistency, but it's 5 trading days with Take Profit Trader. Kelly, in the past, yes, I have. In the past, I have definitely taken Fridays off because it's historically my worst trading day. Oh, look, we lost another one. It's historically my worst trading day. So I have taken Fridays off. Oh, we lost another one. We're getting further away from that 3.3K, guys. Getting further away from the giveaway. Mass unfollowing. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Funny thing is it's probably people who are already subscribed that are just messing with people. There goes 14 away. The bot needs to spam the chat for a giveaway. Oh, now we're 15 away. Oh, Limitless, it's just somebody messing with us. It's probably Phoenix. It's probably Phoenix with all his bot accounts that are that just unsubscribes and is messing with everybody. I guarantee that's what's going on. I guarantee. I can guarantee. The subs look like a stock market. I know. I know. Imagine when those numbers get up to like, I don't even know what I'm going to do if we ever get to like 100K. You guys might actually see me cry. This YouTube game is no joke. Like, it is very hard. It is a lot of work, a lot more work than you guys see. It is very, very difficult. So like having that many subscribers, it means so much, because that first, I mean you do a ton of work with no reward for a very long time. we can't break through resistance at 32.90, guys. There's no resistance is strong at 32.90. We're drawing at 3,300. Oh, we had a peak above. Nope, resistance is strong at 32. Lots of sellers at 32.90, guys. Lots of sellers. No, Phoenix, don't create a bunch of don't create a bunch of fake accounts. Need a break and retest. Yeah. Yeah, we need buyers to step in at about 32.87 and give us the boost. There needs to be a big lot sitting at 32.87 for the boost. Yeah, Justin. I mean, guys, like I said at the beginning of the stream, I can't thank you enough for all the love and support, and I feel very blessed. A lot of people never see the success that my channel has, and I'm extremely overwhelmed, I guess is the right description, you know. All right, who's creating the bot accounts? This is insane. Oh, Danny, we're waiting for 3,300 subs, and we will we'll do the drawing for the 50K Lucid account giveaway. You have a 40 sub box sitting at 3,305. Okay. Oh man. Everybody's just got multiple accounts subscribed. Oh jeez. Oh, there's 3,300. All right, do we have any jokesters? Do we have any jokesters is the question. You guys are ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Watch this. As soon as I do this drawing, I'm gonna watch that sub count drop like a rock. I'm gonna watch that sub count drop like a rock. Oh man. All right, here it goes. Here it goes. All right, so we currently have 157 people in here right now. I'm gonna give everybody one more second to go ahead and subscribe for your chance at a 50K account, Lucid evaluation account. We are giving it away here in a minute, and it's !Wes, all caps, in the chat. You have to subscribe to the channel in order to enter into the drawing as well. Also, another requirement. Side note. Hit that thumbs up button for me if you could. It was like pulling teeth getting that trade tonight. So thank you for all the love and support, guys. Let me go ahead and get the giveaway up and going. And we are going to go ahead and choose a winner. So 104 people have entered into the drawing. 105 now. And we're going to pick the winner in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy Music. Happy Music. You have won a 50K Lucid account. Make sure that you type something in the chat if you are here. If you are not here, in 2 minutes, we will pick another winner. So make sure that you chat something in the chat. Ah, there you go. All right, Happy. Congratulations, brother. You got a free 50K Lucid account. I will get that code for you. Message me on Discord if you could. And I will send you the code to go ahead and activate that account. Congratulations again. The only thing that I ask is keep me updated on how that account does. Let me know if you make money on the account, if you pass the evaluation. GG's in the chat for Happy. Wow, that's amazing, guys. 3.3K subs. I can't thank you all enough. Thank you for all the love and support. That's amazing. I'm sure I'll wake up tomorrow and I'll be at like 3,280 or something like that. But that really is amazing. And nobody unsubbed. Oh, I'm sure people will unsubscribe. I'm sure they will. It's what happened last time. We'll see. As soon as I sorry, I was looking for the code. I wasn't froze. I'm looking for the code. Hat P, make sure that you message me on Discord so that I can get you this code. Unsub is too much work, as Alexi says. I'm sure it'll happen. I'm sure it'll happen. That's amazing. All right, we'll get the sub counter out of here. So whoever wants to go, Danny, what's my name? Wesley? My name's Wes. Hat P is Mason's dummy account. No, Hat P's been around. There he is. All right, I got him. V, you unsubscribed. All right, I got him. Let me get you this. You guys, yeah, now you can tell who all the unsubs were, right? Because they all are popping back up in the alert box. No, Happy's not AI. He's not AI. We've DM'd in the past. All right, guys. Well, since the market's not really doing a whole lot, I'm probably... Can you get an account, please, Danny? Next week, we got 2 more. We're going to do Take Profit Trader giveaways next week. So, you guys will want to tune in next week and make sure that you're a part of those giveaways as well. Happy, I see you messaging me right now. Thank you, brother. Congratulations again. You guys, I'm going to peace out for the night. We're going to end it a little bit early there. Markets aren't really moving around. Views are a little bit down tonight as well. Not a lot of people at their desks. So we dropped 22 people. Yeah, exactly. Oh, 100%. That's what happens with the giveaways. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Trade safe tomorrow morning. Like I said, we got NFP an hour before the opening bell tomorrow. But trade safe tomorrow, guys. Stay patient. Enjoy the rest of your night. And I will see you all Sunday night. Peace.